Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be taking a look at a box from Monthly Knife Club. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring that notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we are back with Monthly Knife Club, and as always, if you are interested in this particular service, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video, and I highly suggest that you check them out because they hook your boy up with some free knives, and yeah, I give them away. So yeah, that's a good deal for you. So go check them out. So this is a box that I get from them, and they do have a lot of boxes for you to choose from. Tons of options. You can get knives that have, you can get knife boxes that have specific types of knives in them to more tailor the box to what you want. So yeah, that is really, really awesome. Okay, we got us a card from them. And let's see, just to give you an idea of the boxes, which, you know, they do give you on the card here, which is a whole lot of text. But we have an advanced plan, we have a premium plan, an ultimate plan, a standard name brand knife plan, a tier 2 name brand knife, and an Onyx collector's plan. So yeah, you got a lot of options there. So I think this is the advanced box. I think so. Yeah, I think this is the advanced box. All right, so ooh, all kinds of good stuff. Check this out. Is this going to be the bare edge? Is this the same knife? I know I'm jumping ahead. But if you back up one video, I got a box from, who was that from? That was from Barrel and Blade. Yeah, Barrel and Blade, right? I got a knife from this company. Definitely, it's not this knife, so okay. So that's good. Because I hate it when I get duplicates like that. So yeah, I jumped the gun. Well, let's go ahead and look at this little knife. Okay, so we got just a little pocket knife here. It does have a reversible clip. It's this cool, like, no, it's not really gunmetal. The clip is gunmetal, but the frame itself is just a silver color with a whole lot of cuts in it. You know, texturing. You know, goes every kind of which way. Makes it, you know, I don't know. It looks very busy. How about that? Well, you agree with me on that? That's a very busy looking scale on this knife. It's got a lot going on. We do have a hole through the frame up here. You can see here, it goes all the way through. It's a slot more than a hole. So you got that. We do have a thumb deployer up here, which is just this little nub sticking out, which probably in your pocket is probably going to get caught on other stuff in your pocket. Just having that little nub sticking out there. But we do have a thumb deployer on the blade as well. So it does have a liner lock, and it deploys really good. Just needs a little bit of oil. But for a little knife, and like as always, you know, I do like it when they give you the index cut out here, and when the blade rotates around to its open position, the thumb deployer does give you a natural stop there for your index. So I do like that. This is going to be a smaller knife because I have small hands, and even on me the pinky is not even on it. So this is going to be a 3-finger knife plus your thumb. So this is definitely a little knife. You know, it's definitely a smaller on the size pocket knife, which is totally fine. Some people like carrying a smaller blade like this, but we have sort of the traditional pocket knife. Well, I don't want to say that, but it's more of a traditional blade shape. You know, a lot of people are going to be used to this type of blade shape, and it's perfectly fine. You know, you don't need to have nothing crazy, you know. So yeah, you know, it's a good little knife. You know, and we do have some texturing, some jimping up here. A little bit, just a little bit in between the thumb stud and where the frame meets the pivot point. We do have some texturing there, some jimping. Whew, boy, I didn't want to sneeze. Okay, I'm good. It's mind over matter. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is Bare Edge from Bear & Son. And like I said, I did get another knife from this company, and the price was a little high. I just looked, but I won't say anything. We'll wait till the end. How about that? We'll wait till the end. But it was a little expensive, and it didn't say the card. It didn't tell me nothing about the knife. Again, I'll wait till we get in the card. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so we got Paracord bracelet. This is from Rothko. Again, this is going to be another company that if you search for tactical things on the good old Amazon, Rothko is a company that's going to come up. So just a little Paracord bracelet. I do like these because the one that I have is an orange one that I've had forever, and it's kind of getting worn out. So this might be a good time for me to switch over to a new one, and it's cool. This is camo. It's a little camo one. So yeah, maybe I'll. Man, that is small. You guys see how small that is? Like, look at that. I know that's not a good frame of reference, but that, like, I've got a small wrist. Oh, okay, we got some sizes here. And this is the smallest one out of all of them. They got a 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is a 7-inch. Man, I don't even think I could, and I got small wrists, but I don't even think I could wear this. You know what? I can't. I can't wear this. This is too small even for me. Okay, so scratch that. I will not be adding a new Paracord bracelet to my things that I use because that one's too small. Well, I guess I should put it over here. So, I got a Paracord bracelet that absolutely I could not use, but maybe my daughter would wear it. You know, maybe my youngest daughter, I could get her to wear it. I don't know. Okay. All right, we've got another product from Rothko. We've got a Spartan Shemagh Tactical Desert Scarf, color tan. All right, and we got some little Spartan type logos on there, so there you go. And, you know, not really need to open it. It's made in India. It's a Shemagh, you know. Has a lot of different uses. So these things are really good. And I think I might actually have a Shemagh from Rothko. I may actually have. Not this particular one, but, you know, one just from the company. So yeah, those are really good for makeshift, you know, sweat protection. You can also cover your face. Use them as a kind of a in the pinch, you know, filter to kind of from heavy particulates and stuff. You know, there's tons of different uses. Hey, that's what YouTube's for. I'm pretty sure you type in on YouTube and go to YouTube and look for a video on all the uses for a Shemagh, man. You can find all kinds of cool videos that are done by people that are probably a lot more entertaining than I am. So there you go. Matter of fact, that actually sounded really good. I'm probably going to do that after this video now. So yeah. What is this? It's waterproof. Man, it's got waterproof right all over it. It's a splash pouch. Neoprene construction. Perfect for small gear and accessories. And this is a large. So apparently they make different sizes of these. Okay, so I'm assuming that if you go like boating, this would be a really good thing to have. It's just it's what it says it is. It's this little, not quite teardrop, you know, kind of a weird shape of a waterproof bag. It says it's waterproof. Okay. Well, I dig it, you know. So there you go. All right. Don't really know much more I can say. It's a little waterproof bag. All right. All right, we got another knife. Because in a box that is called a knife subscription club, you would hope to get some knives, right? And we did. This is 1065 carbon steel blade. Roper knives, and I'm going to guess this is going to be like your grandpa's pocket knife, because I think I've received knives from this company before. Look, oh man, oh, that is pretty. That is, ooh, oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. That is a pretty. Look at that. That is a pretty knife. I like that. Man, I like that. All right, let's see. And it is kind of wide because it has more than one blade on it. So let's see. Let's see what we got here. Holy moly. Man, that thing is, it does not want to. God, it'll break your finger trying to get the blade out. Okay, oh, okay, oh, wow, we got 3 blades. All right, that is kind of odd. But there's our 3 blades that we got. So we're rocking 3 blades on this bad boy. So there you go. So let's see, we got your I was going to try to come up with something clever. That's kind of like a Warncliffe sheep's foot kind of blade. And then we got the stabby blade, and then we got the more blunt blade. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, they cover the bases. I guess how about that? They cover the bases of your 3 really good blade shapes that are definitely intended for 3 different purposes. So yeah, all in one little pocket knife. But man, I would definitely oil these things up. God, dude, that tension is tight as all get out. Good Lord. Dude, this it'll tear your nails up. Man, whew. All right, I like it. Even though, you know, it almost killed my thumb, I still like it though. So yeah, I do like it. American Buffalo Knife and Tool. And it says there's a little cowboy in all of us. All right, fair enough. All right, so yeah, got the little cowboy knife. All right, so let's, tell you what, let's go ahead and put this back up. Let's take a little look-see at the card, because they do give us a little description here. Okay, it says, welcome back, monthly Knife Club members. This month's advance plan starts out with the Paracord bracelet from Rothko. That's extremely too small for me. This bracelet constructed from 7-strand polyester paracord. Comes in woodland camo. Again, would have been nice if it fit me. Next, we have the Neo gear bag, which I'm assuming is this, right? Water-resistant bag is made from neoprene. Yeah. It can easily be snapped or strapped, okay, onto you or your pack or whatever. And then they really move on. It says then they have the Shemagh from Rothko. And it says it's a elite Spartan. Well, it doesn't say that. It says bad, you know, bad arse. Spartan pattern, desert tan. It says they're incredibly versatile, can be used as a face mask, a baklava, a neck gaiter, and much more. There you go. Okay, now, tactical desert scarves are worn by military personnel worldwide, and it says they're also just plain cool. Yeah, they're just plain cool, which is why you definitely need one. If you would have got this box, guess what? You'd have one. Desert camo. There you go. Let's see. All right, next up, the Roper knives. We have a Stockman knife that features a brown or green bone handle and 3 different blade types. Okay, and then finally, well, they didn't really tell me a whole lot about that knife. Finally, we have the starter knife of the month, the Bare Edge 61109 folder. Okay, which is this little guy here. This handsome knife features a drop point style blade made from 440 stainless. The blade deploys smoothly and easily via a ball bearing opening system and a flipper tab or a thumb stud, which I really do like. So that's awesome. The thumb studs are dual, and the pocket clip is reversible for left or right hand carry. The scales are made of textured high grade aluminum. Let's see, they're made out of aluminum or aluminium, whatever you prefer. With little to no hot spots. We think you'll be proud to carry this little USA-built folder in your EDC collection. And I will agree, this is a good little knife. This is, you know, definitely, this knife is the highlight of this box. Next, we have a premium plan, which I did not get. And finally, the ultimate, which I did not get. All right, let's look at some prices. All right, the Rothko Paracord bracelet. Value, $6. Okay. The bag, $11. The Shemagh, $15. The Stockman knife, the little Roper knife, $25. And the Bare Edge knife, $35. We were in this for like $50. Yeah, $50. So good value, you know, good value. You can never complain about knives. So the knives and the Shemagh, you know, whether you have one or not, because, you know, two is one and one is none, you know, kind of mentality there. You know, you always need backups and spares and backups for your backups and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this was, let's see, does it say what month this was? Because I have another one. I have another box down here, so I don't know which month this was, but it doesn't matter, because probably in the next 2 or 3 days I'm going to put out another monthly knife club video out. So yeah, here we go. This is what we got. Monthly knife club. I would say definitely check them out. You know, definitely check them out. Really great people over there. And, you know, like I said, they were kind enough to reach out to me and hook me up with some of their, you know, kind of overflow stock of some of their more pricier knives and, you know, some of the mid-range knives. I greatly appreciate it. And like I said, you know, you guys know I pass those on to you. So if you are interested in a service like this, definitely 1,000%. Check out Monthly Knife Club. Go there, check them out, and yeah, you know, get one of the boxes that I don't get, you know, even though, you know, you have to get the more expensive ones, but hey, you know, they're worth it. You'll see. So yeah, and if you do go there, tell them that, you know, you're a fan of the channel, and if you really want to, if you really want to blow smoke up my rear end, tell them that you are from me, from Brad's Journey on YouTube. Tickle me to death. So anyway, that's it. That's all I got. I hope you guys are doing well, and we're going to get on the giveaway. I'm going to start the giveaway. I'm going to put that video up. I said blah, 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 blah. I said I was going to put the video out today, Sunday, but I'm not going to. I'm going to wait till Monday, because I'm going to go ahead and put the video up Monday and let it run till the end of the week. We're going to do it like normal. So the videos that I was going to put out today, kind of decided to wait, put it off until Monday. So the knife giveaway video will come out Monday. All right, that's all I got. Hope you're doing well. Hit me up in the comment section down below. If you don't have nothing to say about any of this, just say, hey man, what's up? You know, just say hey. Make yourself known. That's all you got to do. All right, I'm out of here, guys. Hope you're well. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.